Congratulations on completing this course. With your newfound understanding of developing mobile apps for iOS and Android using Flutter and Dart, you can explore opportunities to further your learning and put your skills into practice. Before you move on, let's review some of the key concepts you learned throughout this course. Flutter is an open-source framework for building cross-platform mobile apps for iOS, Android, and the web. Mobile app developers use Flutter because of its comprehensive tools and features, flexible widget and UI customization, and near-native performance. The main components of Flutter development include the Flutter Software Development Kit (SDK), the Dart programming language, integrated development environments (IDEs), and emulators and physical devices. Developers also like the Flutter toolchain, which is a collection of tools and libraries that help streamline the development, testing, and deployment of Flutter applications. Flutter applications are written in Dart, an open-source programming language that is optimized for UI development. Dart VM runs code using just-in-time JIT compilation that translates code while the machine is running, and ahead-of-time AOT compilation that translates code before the program is running. Functions in Dart are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task, and methods are functions that are associated with an object. Flutter allows you to build apps for both Android and iOS from a single codebase. In Flutter, all app components are widgets, forming the core components of your app. Flutter offers a wide variety of stateless and stateful widgets that help you build apps with responsive UIs and user-friendly navigation. Flutter offers a wide variety of widgets, including basic, layout, input, button, and list widgets. Each serve a specific function to build a responsive UI. User interaction and forms are enabled using basic widgets to create text input. And gesture detectors handle interactions such as swipes, taps, and long presses. Plugins extend Flutter's functionality by allowing access to native device features such as cameras, GPS, and Bluetooth. Managing plugin compatibility is important and involves handling version constraints, resolving dependency conflicts, and testing on different platforms to ensure smooth integration. Flutter's advanced features enable you to have faster development time and offer users a better experience. Flutter's advanced features include state management, API creation, error handling, and Firebase Analytics. To prepare your Flutter app for release, you need to ensure that it meets the guidelines for Apple's App Store and Google Play Store. You also set up certificates and provisioning profiles. For app customization and security, you use Flutter packages and permissions. You test your app to gather feedback and use CI/CD pipelines to automate building, testing, and deployment processes. You have now reviewed some of the fundamental concepts covered in this course. Remember to go through the glossary at the end of the course to review the key terms discussed and their definitions. If you haven't already, we encourage you to enroll in the IBM iOS and Android Mobile App Developer Professional Certificate, of which this course is a part. Depending on your schedule and the number of courses you take, you can complete this professional certificate in about 3 to 6 months. Topics covered in other courses include React Native, as well as how to add notifications, work with databases, and publish your app. You will find the links to these courses in the Congratulations and Next Steps reading at the end of this course. This course included hands-on labs and a final project. By completing the labs and the project, you gained practical exposure to the following topics: using variables, functions, and classes in Dart, installing Flutter and creating a basic Flutter app, working with APIs, plugins, and local storage, and creating a time-tracking app. The course also included engaging activities that allowed you to explore the libraries in Dart, the widget catalog in Flutter, creating interaction, forms, styles, and layouts for Flutter apps. We recommend that you continue building on the fundamental Flutter and Dart concepts learned in this course. We hope these guiding principles refine your skills and help you advance in your career. Congratulations on completing this course. We commend your dedication to this learning journey and wish you the very best.